TheStoryTwoXX.com.
Hey guys, TheStory2XX here. I just wanted to say, go check out part 1 of this video. This is part 2. The channel will be linked in the description. It's called DDP Clips. This is a channel me and my friend made together. There's already 3 videos uploaded there, but I would highly suggest you check out the most recent video, which is part 1 of this video. It's funny. I'm just saying right now, it's hilarious. It's funny. All the things we say in this video, they're just jokes, so I wouldn't take them seriously. But yeah, go check that out. I would highly appreciate it if you go subscribe, and you know, just subscribe for entertainment, you know. And also, I will be doing a Q&A sometime soon. I just need to do a couple things. I need to record, you know, background gameplay and stuff like that. I just need to do a lot. I'm actually gonna do that probably starting today, and yeah, I'll have a Q&A soon. I posted something on my Instagram. You can go to my Instagram, which will also be linked in the description. Go to my post, and you can, you know, answer any kind of questions you want to ask me, just to get to know me, you know. But that's all I had to say, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Toodles.
Why are you so short? You midget.
Because he's a human and you're in the league.
Whoa, you being
Like
racist
what?
now?
30 seconds remaining.
How the racist?
Fucking racist against the elite.
Bro, elites are tall in the game.
That's racist.
How is that racist?
That's like calling Irish person a leprechaun.
Internet.
Yeah, the internet's stupid.
Yeah, the internet is kind of stupid.
And you're
Well, I already knew that.
I am stupid.
Bro, why you keep calling people ugly? But he might be ugly, but no, never mind. There's nothing else after that.
don't try to say.
Oh, well, I tried, bro.
Bro, I'm ugly, so what, bro?
I'm ugly too. It's fine.
Bro, then we're ugly together.
I can still pull though. I don't care about being ugly. I can still pull.
I can't pull. That's the thing.
Sorry, I'll give you something to be sorry about. I'll give you fucking something to be sorry about.
I mean, I'm getting shot from my booty, from my legs, from my pee-pee, from everywhere, bro. And it's like, wow.
You're getting shot from your pee-pee? I'll make it your problem.
You know, I always wondered this.
You wanna know, bro? It's a lot for teacher.
Do male elites have pee-pees, bro? Or is it just like, you know, just nothing?
What are you talking about? What the fuck are you
I'm talking about us.
What about
We're aliens, yeah? We're aliens, yeah, but like, I don't think we have pee-pees.
What about us?
I don't think we have
we
pee-pees.
repopulate? You think I grow an egg?
You probably do. I don't know.
Dude, I'm a fantasy here you think about. Can't wait to be off to aliens dropping
Gain
eggs.
the lead.
Oh, stop throwing grenades at me! What is wrong with you?
Good job.
Thank you.
No, wait. Look. I see you! Like, I'm just making shots! Like, you really think you're so cool.
5 minutes remaining.
Like, I really think you think I can't see you. I can see
You
you.
didn't say anything!
Bro, I don't care. I know what you're thinking. Shut the fuck
I
up.
can't play!
Revenge.
It's like taking Blackout 3, right? And then just taking it and throwing it in space. And telling someone to figure it out. That's what it is! Shut up!
No, it's not!
Dude's finna get mad. Dude's finna shoot up a whole school. I mean, I can actually boot him now? Can I boot him now? Is that a yes?
Boot him offline. Boogaga!
Am I winning? I'm winning? That's crazy.
Yeah, bro.
One more kill. I'm over here vibing, bro. What just happened to you two? You know what? I'm gonna walk away. It's fine. I'm gonna walk away. I'm your father.
Don't let him kill you.
Over.
You are allowed to start.
Oh, you know what this means, bro? I got something for you. Hold up. This is meant for your
big.
ears.
Oh.
This is meant for your ears.
You had one fucking job.
You have one fucking job, bro.
They're miserable.
How long
Why are
did
we
it take
playing
you
on the
to
same
look at-
map?
Okay, I'll
I'm not
switch
trying to play on the
it.
same map.
Okay, I'm sorry. You scared me.
I noticed that so quickly, like, bro. Oh, the Battle Queen.
Alright, I'm sorry. I'll go
I'm gonna
somewhere
shoot
else.
you.
I'll go somewhere
said
else.
go to Battle Creek.
Fine. Why are you being mad?
I'm not mad. I'm just.
You're
Why are we
scaring
talking
me
like this?
I don't know.
We
Shut the
talk
fuck
like
up. So start fucking nut on no donut and make you eat it. Oh no! He told me to pick it. Please, and thank you. I might have threatened him earlier. Without
some booty.
him.
First strike. Gain the
Lost
lead.
the lead. Wow, I don't recall having the lead, but whoever's invisible, you should kill yourself. I mean, like in real life. Yeah. Cool beans, man. Yeah, it's not gonna happen though. I don't know how I killed you, to be honest. Alright, fuck off. I almost called you, Jaws, I'm not gonna lie. I'm tempted to stay calling every time I see that black skin. Sounds racist, but it's true. Oh, there you go again! Don't you just love being everywhere, bro?
Yeah, I think this game has problems because like the audio is just like kind of messed up.
Maybe the audio was kind of messed up. Oh my god, he has a rocket launcher though.
I'm sorry for having it. Maybe I should deliver it.
No, let me stop.
Bro, it's not my fault. You went to the same
Why do you
location.
still have it?
Because.
Okay, short bitch. Hey, hey, hey. And who's the leader now? Get from up there!
Lost the lead.
Look at you!
Get up there.
My God,
Hey, can you do me
you guys
favor
are not
and, like,
freaking
not
birds!
Alright, cool. Hey, you had coffee.
No, that was like hours ago.
It does for him.
That was hours ago.
Start standing up and start punching people for no reason.
Revenge.
You did hear me say I did drink coffee hours ago, right?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not good with a sniper, but...
Oh my God, like I fucking said, I'm not a fucking bird, bro. Just fucking fuck!
Maybe I want to be a bird. Jesus. How would you be
cars?
You call you! Oh, it's gonna suck
That's
for
what
you.
you freaking get!
Oh, am I supposed to respond after that? I feel bad now. Stop throwing grenades! Big fuck!
You big fucking banana bitch!
I'm gonna start releasing. Hold up.
Revenge.
Fucking banana with a gun.
Hey,
You can die.
hey, look.
5 minutes remaining.
Oh, can I get on the ground before you start shooting? Uranium. Hey bro, you know I'm pulling you for that. Bro, give me some glue. Give me some good glue. Yes, bro, you don't eat glue. Bro, come.
Whoa! I can't do.
Revenge.
You can't get my fucking banana.
Bro, this is definitely going on the freaking channel, bro. This is going on the channel, bro.
You fucking got killed by a banana, you dumb bitch. Oh, look who's small with his sniper. Fucking done. I think you can fucking
Why is it the same map? God. Y'all
Slayer.
I don't know where you got that from.
My
I don't know where you
brain?
got that from. Your brain? Well then, damn, your brain is kind of fucking stupid.
Well, we already knew that.
I mean, mine is more dumber, so like...
Is it though? We're using a game, or you should kill yourself in real life. Huh?
Where'd he go?
I want. Where's my super suit? I know what happened to the super suit though. His wife and some other man was doing cosplay, right? And they had to take his super suit. Yeah.
I think you're kind of
The leader.
That's why you died.
Am I stupid or am I just making sense and you don't like it? No, I'm stupid. Never mind. Yeah, it's
Lost the
probably
lead.
stupid.
I was gonna whack you with my hammer.
That doesn't sound right. Man. Look, I whacked you with my bullet.
Shut up.
All right, you're gonna die. Oh, I did a backflip.
I'm sorry. Ew.
Mina,
What's
stay right
understanding?
there. No, mama.
Oh, so none of you would have told me he had a shotgun. You guys just stay quiet.
No one
That's what
fucking
died.
did.
You know what? That
You
makes,
did
that
not.
makes even more sense.
You didn't
That makes
ask.
more sense.
He been
I
had
did
a
ask.
shotgun. When you act?
Before you guys died.
We should have been louder, huh?
You should be listening with your small ears.
I'm kind of mad that you died.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here's a
You like my hammer?
I like something else.
Ew.
I meant the weapon, not the hit. Alright. Hey, bro, back up, bro. Back up with that hammer, bro. Hold up, bro. There's someone behind you, bro. There's someone behind you. Don't hit him, bro. Oh, you got it. It's all yours. No, you got it. It's fine. No, you got it. I'm not gonna win this match. No.
Oh, boo-hoo. Yeah.
Boom! Dang! Please near me. I'm tired of this fucking shit. How everybody spawning with these stupid sniper rifles, but I don't really suck with these.
I literally just like kind of almost killed myself, so like we're not gonna talk about that.
Wait, so you didn't kill yourself? Right?
5 minutes remaining.
Alright, cool. Yeah, no answer is fine. I didn't want to answer anyways. It's cool, he has the rocket launcher again. It's fine. You know,
I don't have a rocket launcher. It's a grenade launcher, bro.
Shut up.
You don't know your launcher,
up.
so it's fine.
I'll launch you across the sky.
You are the sky with that
Exactly.
stupid dumb jetpack, bro. Cacaw,
Bro, I'm
bro.
a banana. Stop shooting me.
What's wrong with shooting a banana?
You need your potassium.
Oh my god, I have to do a headshot on him, bro. Oh my god, dude.
This is the most stupidest fucking video we ever made. Put that at the beginning.
This is the stupidest video you ever made. Oh, I'm gonna put that in the beginning. That's crazy.
Oh my god, I'm tired of seeing you. I'm honestly tired of seeing you. Period blood with the same person. I'm tired of seeing you.
Revenge. Killjoy.
Why'd you say Spain?
Shut the fuck up. You shut the fuck up right now. You shut the fuck up. Boom! Nah, I'm done.
That's what you get for using that kind of language is after support.
This game can delete it. I'm done.
You're not deleting. Shite, bro.
I'm sorry. I hope it doesn't change. That's stupid for you. You know, I hope you go to university one day and just leave out of every hole that you have. Every hole. No, it's not slowly. Every time I spawn, it's nowhere near slow. It has to be slow. I'm done. Where'd you even find the
You're
rocket
not
launcher?
done, bro.
Where'd you even find the
You're
rocket
not done,
launcher?
bro.
Yes, I'm gonna let it. Yes, I really am. I think I'm gonna cry in the ice cream though.
What is that? Like, what is
I really finna get on a call. I really don't deserve something. Let me finna hop out the beat. You really think I'm playing? Oh, Lord.
You know what that is? You thought you were playing.
Shut up.
Yeah.
You kill me, I swear to God.
Revenge. Double kill.
Bro, what is that? Are you
1
nutty?
minute remaining.
Dang.
Game over.
Excellent. Happy you paying me.
You didn't quit. You're not quitting, bro. I don't care what you say, bro. You're not quitting, bro. You're just not quitting, bro. A quitter never quits, but a quit is a wit. But the wittest wit is my clit. What? You should put alpha zombies. Put alpha zombies. Hey, bro, put alpha zombies, bro. Hey, yeah, like hurry up and change, like pick the map, right, and change it to alpha zombies.
Boardwalk.
Yeah, boardwalk is a good one. Border walk. Wow, that's great. Bro, put alpha zombie.
I don't know how to do that.
Oh my god, click infection and there should be variants, game mode variants of the stupid game mode. The game of...
Shut the fuck. Not here.
Oh my god, then just go, bro. Bro, shut up, bro. You sound like a freaking autistic, bro.
Sound like an octopus.
What?
Shut up. What?
Octopus.
That's fine. So apparently that's fine, but when I talk about blowing up a children's preschool, it apparently is not fine.
What are you talking about? What is...
It's okay for my pet birds to go poop on my neighbor's car, but when I do it, there's a problem. Okay, sure. I mean, my dog can piss on a fire hydrant, but when I do it, Apparently, I'm a public nuisance. That's okay.
Infection.
Just racist. Whole world just racist.
Why would you want to do that in the first place?
You know, maybe it feels good, man. Maybe I just enjoy the fact that I can go to a fire hydrant and relieve myself of my injuries.
Yeah, Diamond's not gonna like this, cause
First strike.
yeah.
Someone's Snapchatting me.
You're really not. That's the problem, because you're really not sorry. I don't want to hear you. I'm sorry for hurting your feelings.
You guys did it.
What do you think about? I'm enjoying life. You're right.
I like it.
Oh.
Oh yeah, you. I hate you too, man. I hate you too. You don't even have to tell me. I hate you too. Don't worry about it.
I didn't even kill you.
Don't worry. Shut your mouth.
I didn't kill you. I'm just saying, I didn't kill you. I completely hit the sign that like.
Hope you walk outside the fucking stop sign teaching your fucking face. Here, bitch. No, come here.
What if I don't want to? Bro, this is gonna be a part 2 to this video, bro.
There is not gonna be a part 2 to this video. I'm gonna turn on nice.
Yes, there is, bro.
I'm a.
Name of the video.
I have no
As long as
idea,
it's
bro.
not and the one female. This here box.
Bro, if there's gonna be periods at the end, there's gonna be periods at the end, bro. Who cares, bro? They're just periods.
Oh, when I dash, I can't hit though. Oh, I can dash. I want you to, but I can't hit. Cool, here it comes. Like mentally right now, I want to blow up a whole orphanage.
Mentally right now, I just wanna like
Who ran out of bullets, bro? Because I could have scored someone today at one bullet.
no one said that.
What's that? Goes to fucking put my shit inside.
30 seconds remaining.
I don't like being zombie. More in fact, I don't like this map of being zombie. Oh, that's all.
You guys have fun. I'm gonna join back.
Okay. I hate you. Kill yourself.
10 seconds remaining.
Hope you guys had fun. I sure did. Yeah. So much fun. Okay.
Round
We don't
over.
need that pizza. Have fun. Guys, I'm scared. Guys, he's coming for me. Guys, I don't wanna die. He's coming for me. Guys. He's above. Guys, oh, that was different last time.
No, it wasn't, bro. It wasn't doing that.
Oh, I forgot that my headphones don't work, bro. What the
Betrayed.
heck? Back up!
Why'd you shoot me?
Because you hit me. It scared me.
It was an accident.
It's fine. You won't turn into a sting when I kill you.
Why are you shooting me?
Because it's funny.
Okay, then let me shoot you
What's
then.
good? He's coming. Bro, infect me so I can go kill Dario, bro. I'm tired of this, bro.
Bro, what's up, bro?
Bro, come infect me, bro. Where you at, bro?
Bro, where are you, bro?
No, move, bro. Move.
Betrayed.
Come infect me.
Don't infect them, infect other people. But
Infect me.
don't infect them, because
I swear to God,
he's too yellow to
infect
be
me,
infected,
bro.
bro.
Oh, back up.
Bro, when he gets infected, bro, he's basically he's just a pale banana, bro.
Move.
Betrayed.
Why are you even shooting me?
Because you started shooting me.
I'm not trying to shoot you.
Why are you running away from me?
Because you're shooting me.
Not you, me.
Betrayal.
I'm done, bro. He infect him, bro, but he don't infect me.
Because, bro. Why would you distract
Bro, can you infect me, bro? Can one of you infect me, bro? Infect me.
Betrayal.
It's just I can boot you. I'm just gonna boot you too, bro. Oh, infect me so I can kill him, bro. Infect me.
Last man
Thank
standing.
you. Let me kill him. Somebody else kill him. We got no problem.
Kill me.
I swear to God.
Kill me.
Infected. Round over. Infection. Game over.
I'm breaking this into two parts.
Hope you enjoyed the stream. Have a good day.
Have a lovely day, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, boo.
Hope you fucking drown in a fucking toilet, you fucking
Bro,
faggot.
shut up. You're making me loud, bro. Shut up, bro. My mom's trying to sleep. Shut up, bro.
Hope somebody resurrects the fucking dinosaurs and fucking chomps your fucking head off. Have a good day.